Chicago is a world-class destination for entertainment, business, hotels, restaurants, but especially trade shows. But you can't do Chicago without Chicago-style deep dish pizza. So today we're checking out a joint that's been serving up some of Chicago's best deep dish pizza for over 40 years. That's right, the world-famous Giordano stuffed pizza. Welcome to Giordano's. We're here at their flagship location on Rush Street, and I'm sitting with Michelle and Kathy, and we're about to dig into some world-famous Giordano's deep dish pizza. I can't wait. I see the server coming right now. Oh my gosh. All right, so I have a big question. How do you eat stuffed pizza? Fork and knife or with your hands?
Truthfully, you can go either way, but fork and knife is the more polite way to do it.
Oh, sure. Well, I'm a polite person, so
That's
I think
good.
I'll eat mine with fork and knife.
My children like to pick it up and kind of shove it in their mouth. But fork and knife is my preferred method.
You know, I don't know if I'm really past that, though. I might have to just pick
That's
it up and shove
fair.
it in my
You
mouth.
could. You definitely could.
I
We'll
can't
use
wait
our
to try it.
Right?
Do you guys know the history of Giordano's pizza?
No.
I don't.
Coming here that long, you don't know?
I
So it
don't.
was started in northern Italy by Mama Giordano. So she was really famous because she was a great cook, right? And so she used to make this thing called her Italian Easter pie. And so when her sons moved to Chicago in 1974, they opened Giordano's using her recipe for her Italian Easter pie. And that's where the recipe comes from.
That is fantastic. That explains why it is so thick and luxurious.
I know, and it's double,
Pie,
you can see
definitely
it's
pie.
double crusted. There are 2 layers of crust, and there's all this
wow.
cheese, and you know what, I'm just gonna shut up and eat it, okay?
Yep.
Yeah,
Me
that
too.
was delicious.
Bon appetit.
Well, that was worth every bite. You gotta check out Giordano's famous Chicago stuffed pizza right here, and we'll see you next time on Around Chicago. Do you like our Around Chicago series? Let us know. Leave a comment below and click subscribe to keep up to date on all the latest IMTS news. And as always, thanks for watching.